Good morning, traveling family. We are on our way to dig this. It's an excavator site where you're able to sit with your child. I've been wanting to go to the heart attack grill. Sorry about my hair, we just woke up. I'm going to clean up as we head on to our dinner at the Eiffel Tower tonight. We finally finished. It was a lot of fun. I was very surprised how much fun I had. We're finally seated. Here's the menu. You do have to wear a gown, and if you don't finish your food, you get some good spanking. The burgers are pretty big, and look at their onion rings. Oh my gosh. We got the loaded fries. I mean, this is not for the faint of heart. So the single decker is already big. Imagine getting a double, triple decker. It's too much. Pretty good. It's a good burger. A really good burger. The burgers are good. So at least you'll enjoy your meal. Whether it's the onion rings or the loaded fries, regular fries, everything is like triple the size. It's perfect for, I think this is perfect for like group of 4. I think we overdid it. In Vegas. Can't believe it! If you get a chance, come by. Otherwise, we don't know when they're gonna close it down again. We have a pretty long walk. It's nice. It's our last night. Might as well walk around the strip. My pregnant wife, she is exhausted, but it's good exercise. All girls with feathers flock together. I got the lamb medium. I like it, it's pretty good compared to Spago. There is definitely more flavor with this restaurant than the one at Spago. You know how when you're eating your lamb, it has that gamey aftertaste? Well, this one doesn't have that gamey taste. It's like meat, of course, like all the other meat, without the gaminess. So many different flavors just burst in your mouth. It's hard to explain, but there's no gaminess in it. You kind of smell it coming and you're expecting it to just get stronger, and all of a sudden disappears. Very weird. There's a hint of gaminess, just a hint, but it doesn't overpower. I just want to pick up the bone, put it in my mouth. I think I'll do that. Of course, we ordered our favorite curry cake, baby! Curry cake! And that's it, just some water, curry cake and water. Oh, some coffee. Good coffee.